In this lesson, we are going to be taking a look at expressing fractions as a whole number. So let's take a look at the examples first. It says to model 6, on a number line, and then they want to know what is 6 equal to. So the first thing that we're going to do is to go ahead and label our number line. So we have 0, 1, 6, 2, 6, 3, 6, 4, 6, 5, 6, 6, 6. And we know that 6 over 6 is equal to 1 whole, okay? In this example, it says write the whole number as a fraction. So here we see 6 completely shaded in triangles. So we know that our numerator, or our top number, is going to be 6. For our denominator, or bottom number, we're going to have to take a look at one triangle and determine how many pieces it has been broken into. So looking at the one triangle, we can see that there are no pieces, so this is one whole. So our fraction would be 6 over 1. So 6 is equal to 6 over 1. Let's continue. Directions: construct a number line to represent the whole number. Write the whole number as a fraction. So we're going to count to see what our denominator is going to be. Oh, let's look at number 1. What is 4/4 equal to? Model 4/4 on a number line. So let's begin putting in our fractions here. So this is 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, and 4/4. So we know that 4 over 4 is equal to 1. So whenever the numerator and the denominator are the same, we know that our answer is equal to 1. And I didn't do this, so what I'll do quickly is just copy and paste the answer. Here we go. Copy and paste the answer there. So it's equal to 1. All right, let's take a look at number 2. For number 2, we see 4 completely shaded in octagons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, octagons. 4 completely shaded in octagons. So how many are shaded in? That'll be our numerator, or our top number, which is 4. And then we're going to look at one octagon and determine how many pieces there are. Since there are no pieces, we're going to put 1, or how many parts? There are no parts. It's 1 whole. So we can say that 4 is equal to 4 over 1. 4 completely shaded in pieces, and each is in a whole form. Okay, let's look at number 2. What is 2/2 equal to? Model 2/2 on a number line. So here we have 1/2, and here we have 2/2. So we know that 2/2, 2 over 2, is equal to 1. So 2/2 equal to 1. Write the whole number as a fraction. So we have 2 smiley faces here that are shaded in. So I'll put 2 at the top as my numerator. And the smiley face is not broken into any parts. So it's one complete smiley face emoji. So that means that our fraction for this is 2 is equal to 2 over 1. Okay, so now, boys and girls, it is your turn to complete your graphs or your problems. So you're either going to be completing the number line like I did, or looking at the writing the whole number as a fraction and looking at the pictures here. Okay, now for this one, for example, looking at number 2, do not think that it's cut up into 3 parts. That's not what it is. They're just trying to tell you that it's shaded in. Okay, so these are still holes there. Okay, boys and girls, that is it. If going through you decide you want to add a few more boxes, once again, just click on the box, right click, copy, and then paste it. Okay, and then you'll have another box there if you need it, or if you want to put one there. All right, so that is it for today with your math. As always, take care, and I'll see you all soon. Goodbye for now.